Are you ready to build strength, boost endurance, and master the ultimate bodyweight exercise? Welcome to the 30-day push-up challenge, perfect for beginners. Whether you can't do a single push-up or want to improve your form, this challenge will take you from zero to hero in just 1 month. Why push UPS? Push-ups aren't just for bodybuilders. They help build upper body strength, improve posture, and even burn calories. Plus, you don't need any equipment, just your determination. Let's break it down. Push-ups work multiple muscles, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even legs. They improve stamina and endurance while being an exercise you can do anywhere, anytime. Whether at home, in a park, or at the gym, push-ups are a simple yet effective way to enhance your fitness equals. Challenge breakdown. Let's go step by step. This challenge is designed to build strength gradually. If you're a total beginner, don't worry, we've got modified push-ups for you. Let's break down the 30 days. Week 1, Foundation, days 1 to 7. The first week is all about learning proper form. It's crucial to build a strong foundation to avoid injury and maximize results. We will focus on knee push-ups and incline push-ups to ease into the movement. The daily goal is 5 to 10 reps, ensuring you develop strength without feeling overwhelmed. Week 2, Building strength, days 8 to 14. Now that you've built a foundation, it's time to increase endurance. This week, we introduce standard push-ups, which require full body engagement. Focus on maintaining good form and breathing properly. Your daily goal should be 10 to 15 reps, gradually increasing as you feel stronger. Week 3, Endurance boost, days 15 to 21. This week, we slow things down to boost endurance. Controlled movements are key here, so we'll incorporate slow push-ups and diamond push-ups. By performing each rep with precision, you'll feel the burn in your muscles. The goal is 15 to 20 reps per day. Week 4, the final push, days 22 to 30. The last week is all about pushing yourself to the limit. You will combine regular push-ups with explosive push-ups to build both power and speed. By now, your strength and endurance will have significantly improved. Aim for 20+ reps daily and challenge yourself to do even more. Tips for success. Want to see real results? Follow these pro tips. Heavy checkmark: focus on form, keep your body straight, core engaged, and avoid sagging hips. Proper form prevents injuries and maximizes muscle engagement. Heavy checkmark: breathe properly, inhale as you go down, exhale as you push up. This helps maintain energy levels and improves performance. Heavy checkmark: stay consistent, don't skip a day. Small progress adds up over time. Even if you feel tired, do a few push-ups to maintain momentum. Heavy checkmark: listen to your body. If you're too sore, take a break or modify your reps. Rest is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Heavy checkmark: track your progress. Take a picture on day 1 and compare it on day 30. Visual progress will keep you motivated. Visuals: side-by-side comparisons of progress, common mistakes and corrections. Now, it's your turn. Join the 30-day push-up challenge and let's transform together. Comment below with "I'm in," and let's keep each other accountable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness challenges. See you in the next workout. Watch next, 5-minute morning workout for beginners. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for daily fitness tips.